Meet Alfa Romeo's information and entertainment system. It makes phone calls, provides information, consults maps, and keeps you entertained while you drive. The system restores to its last state, on or off, each time you start the engine. To change this setting, see the Auto On radio preset under Settings. You'll find the system controls just below the shifter. Push and hold the On-Off volume button. Turn the button to adjust the system's volume and tap it left or right to cycle through radio stations or media tracks. The rotary pad lets you navigate the system's menus. Turn it like a dial to scroll, tap it left and right to swipe through screens, or push down on the pad to confirm a selection or cycle through feature options. Move the rotary pad forward to open and close the multitasking menu, where you can choose between radio, media, phone, navigation, apps, and settings from anywhere in the system. Move the rotary pad toward the rear to open and close the radio presets bar. You'll find additional system controls on the steering wheel. They let you activate the phone, issue voice commands, turn the volume up or down, and cycle through radio stations or media tracks. Push the Option button to modify things like audio, which includes settings for EQ, speaker balance, speed-adjusted volume, and more. To return to the main menu at any time, push the Menu button left of the rotary pad. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.